Hello, welcome to Waypoint Survival. Today I want to show you what might be the perfect Pocket EDC. Stay tuned. Some months ago I did a video on the survival wallet. And you all remember perhaps this video. I could put a link to it right up here, and I'll also make sure and put a link to it down in the description box below. But at any rate, this is a really neat idea, the survival wallet. It's a zippered wallet, and I went through detail and showed you everything that's in here. I also came up with a smaller version that would fit in the front pocket of your pants. And you can see comparing them that this one is about half the size of this. Even a little less thick. This is designed to be a complete survival kit, EDC, that you can carry in your pocket that will supply most of the basic needs for a survival kit that you can carry with you every day. Let's open it and I'll show you what I've got inside. Here they are side by side with a quarter laying on top of the one right here for comparison. As you can see, it's pretty small. So in this pouch, and I'll just move this quarter aside, I have packed as many items as I could get that would give me a reasonable small EDC kit that I could put in my pocket. Specifically my front pocket of my pants or a sports jacket. So opening this up, right here at the very opening I have the flashlight, because this might be something that I would use first. And this is made by UST, and it is the kind that takes a single AAA battery. And that's important because AAA batteries are fairly easy to find, and they're in equipment and various other things, and so easy to source. It's very bright, has a pretty long battery life, also has O-ring seals, so it's not going to be damaged by sweat or moisture if it gets caught in a rainstorm or something, just carrying around in my pocket. The next thing that I have is I have a red mini Bic lighter, and of course that's very important for fire starting. I also have a very small ready edge knife sharpener, and uses these pieces of carbide, of course, to sharpen a knife. So to go along with the knife sharpener, I also have a very small pocket knife, and it fits inside of some elastic loops, and it's made by Frontier, and it's actually Imperial from Ireland. It's the Frontier knife, the Frontier brand. And as you can see here, get this open, two very nice blades. The next item that I want to show you is a small sewing kit. It has 6 different colors of threads, 2 extra buttons, a small safety pin, and a needle inside. Very, very small, compact sewing kit. In a Ziploc bag, to keep them from being punctured so that they stay safe, I have 2 micro-pure Catadine water tablets, water purification tablets. And each one of these tablets is good for 1 liter of water. Of course, it does take 4 hours, so something to keep in mind. All right, it's my dog barking there. I also have 2 Band-Aids, very important to have, a little bit of first aid. And then you get these at the True Value hardware stores. It's a very flat set of collapsible nail clippers. Again, a very important survival item to have when you're just trying to maintain your cleanliness. In another one of the elastic loops, I have a collapsible ballpoint pen for leaving notes, whatever, drawing maps to the location. You can also get these at the True Value hardware stores. I have a couple of Tender Quick fire tabs. Very important. P38, gotta have that can opener. And then a couple of last items, extra safety pin for gear repair. I have a SOG survival tool. And on this side it has a whistle. So pretty effective whistle. A ferro rod right here. Push this little lever down here, and this is the striker. And pretty effective and pretty nice sparks. And here they are all laid out. You can see everything that's in the kit, and it works together quite well. Fits very nicely in that pouch. And this is designed to be a kit that you can take anywhere with you The blade is small enough not to cause problems in most areas, and it is not a locking blade, so you could even use it in Europe. But it's just designed to have most of the things you need. A little bit of medical, a little bit of repair. It's got, of course, 2 ways to start a fire, and water purification, and of course just different things that you might need if you find yourself in a survival situation. This is James Bender for Waypoint Survival. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure and check out the links in the description box below. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to the channel. We'd really appreciate it. And when you do subscribe, make sure and press that bell button so that you can stay notified of all of our upcoming videos, and we'll talk to you next time.